How to do motion tracking in CapCut PC. So if you want to do motion tracking in CapCut PC, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your CapCut, go with the create project. Once you're under the create project, now you need to go with import, and you just need to simply import a video. So I'll be choosing a video. Click on open, and here you will have your video, right? You just need to simply drag that to the bottom. Once you've dragged, now go with text and add a default text. Once you've added, now here on the right side, you just need to simply go with text and write something. So for example, I'll be writing demo, or you can simply write boy, father, mother, or simply anything like that. Once you've done with that, now you need to simply take the text and place it right here. And after that, make sure the text is selected and go with the right side, and here you will have tracking option and go with motion tracking. Once you're under the motion tracking, you can go with direction, and on the direction, you can simply go with both directions. And here you will have your motion tracking object. So you just need to simply go and take it right here. And after that, if you play, and here on the right side, make sure that you've toggled off the options right here and go with the start, which is here on the right side, and it will start tracking, and it might take some time, so just wait. And after that, if you play the video, you can see the text is moving along with the motion. And in the same way, you can add any objects. So you just need to simply go with stickers, which is on the upper left, and you can add any stickers. So for example, I'll be choosing a sticker, which is right here. Go with plus, and you can add the sticker. Once you've added, make sure that you've selected the sticker and go with the tracking option. Then under tracking, go with motion tracking. And here also, you just need to simply go and place it on the person and go with start. And you can see that you'll have the motion tracking. So that's it, you can play. So that's how you can do motion tracking in CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.